Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've been a little busy with mom stuff, but I'm finally getting back into the swing of things. I have this amazing wig that I got from Amazon, and y'all will not believe me when I tell you that this is a synthetic unit. Like, it is completely synthetic, but the way that it feels like some straight up human hair. It is so soft, so silky. There's very little tangling. It definitely does not shed. I absolutely love this wig, and I had to come and share it with you guys. And you don't even have to ask, this is already linked in the description box. And go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront if you're interested in finding some more really great synthetic units. What I love about this wig is the lace. This is straight up HD lace, and I know this is pretty popular, but I have yet to try an HD lace wig, especially with synthetic hair, and this one definitely shocked me. It has 6 inches of parting space, and I absolutely love it. You can part it in any direction, and like any standard wig, it has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps for this video. And honestly, lately I have not been gluing down my wigs, so this is how I've actually been wearing my wigs, because I'm trying to protect my edges. My hair is just slicked back, and of course I tried the wig on just to see what it looked like without even having to do anything, and without even having to touch it, it already looked good. The baby hairs are so freaking cute on this wig. And I don't know about you, but I hate when I get a wig and the hairline just looks so freaking wiggy, but the hairline on this wig, y'all, looks so natural. I barely had to do anything. Doing your hair as a woman in general, but specifically as a black woman, is like so exhausting, and lately I've been opting for more easy, just low maintenance hairstyles, and this wig definitely hit the hammer on the nail. You will see that literally all I had to do was cut the lace off of this wig and add a little bit of makeup to the lace so that of course it blended with my skin complexion. I didn't do any plucking, any extra cutting, no layering, nothing. All I had to do was cut the lace off of this wig and put a little bit of this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick on the lace, blend that in, and I was good to go. Now, when I ordered this wig, I did not know that there was a brown lace option, so I definitely will be trying another wig from this brand on Amazon, but I'm gonna try one of the wigs with the brown lace to see if it blends in with my skin better than this one initially did. So yeah, I already have 2 more wigs on the way, and before you start judging me, don't. Okay, I like my wigs, especially when they're good like this. I mean, like, look at the quality. All of the wigs from this brand are under $50, and they're all available on Amazon. You can get them next day if you really want to. Definitely comment down below if you all want to see me try out some more wigs from this brand, because you know, I may just go back and order all of them. But definitely let me know if you want to see me try on more of these wigs. Now, I do like the way that the hairline on this wig looks with no manipulation. It looks very natural. It's definitely giving scalp. It looks like I grew this hair all on my own, like it's mine. But I did end up, and I didn't record this because all of my stuff is in the bathroom, but I did end up straightening the edges with my hot comb just because I wanted them to be laid and slicked back a little bit more. And I used some Got2b hairspray and some mousse, obviously, to lay down the edges because I didn't want it looking too natural. I was definitely going for a very clean and polished look this day. But again, this wig looks very good without having to do any of that to it. And let me not forget to put y'all on, I found this mousse right here at the beauty supply store. Look, I don't know what mousse you're using, but throw it away and go get this one, because this is the best mousse I have ever used. When I say it keeps my hair in place, it's called Professional Hold or something. I will see if I can find it on Amazon so that, you know, y'all can go and get it for yourselves. But this mousse right here keeps everything in place. You definitely have to try it. I got this elastic band from Amazon as well. Don't come for me. Yes, I like to get most of my stuff from Amazon. But it came with this wig kit with the little brush and a bunch of stuff to slick your edges down with. That is definitely linked on my Amazon storefront because I think it's essential if you are definitely first getting into wigs. And before you even ask, yes, I recorded this makeup, so there will be a tutorial coming soon. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love the way my makeup came out this day. It's definitely giving clean girl, like no makeup, but like for spring. And I had to go back in and add some bronzer around my edges just so that it blended with the makeup that I did. But can you see how flawless this hairline is on this wig? I absolutely love it. And that was all I had to do for this wig. I'm not even going to talk about it anymore. I'm just going to shut up and I'm going to let y'all sit back and look at how freaking amazing this wig looks. That is it, y'all. Thank you so much for giving me your attention. Share this video with your homegirl so you can put her on, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle content. See you in the next video.